Let's make Chapli Kebab smash burgers.
Hungry, you know the flavor. It's just delicious. It's delicious.
Chapli Kebab smash burgers, we will take 2 lbs of the ground beef, which is 85/15. American cheese, we have burger buns, we have onions, garlic, ginger, cilantro, salt. This is the key to get the chapli flavor. This is pomegranate. Let's build this. It's easy to do. We have this our new griddle in the home, indoor griddle. We will build all these burgers in here. Let me give you the authentic flavor. So we will take onion. 1 whole onion goes in the processor. So we will process some fresh herbs in here for the ground beef, minced beef patties. 1 whole onion, fresh cloves of garlic. Add 7 to 8 fresh cloves of garlic, handful of ginger cubes. By count, I would say at least 50 grams of ginger cubes. To give the fresh kick to the burgers, add green chilies in here. So smash burger, usually they use unseasoned beef. I would suggest if you want the chapli flavor, the authentic minced beef patty flavor, get all these fresh. It's easy to do, less time consuming and full of flavor. Let's process these. Fresh vegetables are ready. Let's take our beef out. Here goes the 1 lb of the ground beef, organic. Here goes another 1 lb in here. All these fresh onion, garlic, ginger and chilies, they go on top of it. Let's fire up our griddle at 400 Fahrenheit. Let's add dry ingredients in here. 1 tablespoon of the salt, 1 tablespoon of the chili powder, 1 whole tablespoon of the black pepper, 1 tablespoon of the crushed cumin. We'll do 2 tablespoons of the coriander crushed. Every pound should get 1 tablespoon of crushed coriander. This is the main ingredient for this flavor. Pomegranate seeds. This is the powder. You can use crushed one in there as well. Here you go. 1 whole tablespoon. Here you go. Moment of truth. Let's just mix it. You can definitely put all of this in a mixer. How to keep this meat intact? We will add 2 tablespoons of cornstarch in here. You can use 2 eggs in there, but I would suggest use cornstarch. 2 tablespoons of it. Chapli Kebab, smash burger, ground beef, minced beef is completely ready. Our griddle is hot. Let's take oil spray. Just spray a little bit. Let's take meat, not too big, not too small, just make a meatball out of it. This will be your patty. And here it goes. Another one. This is the burger smasher. To make it easy, some spray on it and press it. So the trick is to cook these patties until they are 90% done. Same way we will do. This griddle is non-stick, so you don't have to worry about it. Here goes the process faster. Put this burger press on top. Let's take the burgers and we will toast our burgers. This is the easy way to make delicious chapli beef burgers. For now, I'm gonna just make a couple of them. Cooking on the griddle is so easy. Just put some butter here. Take your buns and toast them. So look at this. Burgers are cooking here. Buns are cooking here. Here you go. Our buns, they are perfectly toasted. Yes. Perfect with the butter. Okay, you're gonna be asking how long you're gonna be frying this. 400 Fahrenheit, fry it at least 3 minutes each side. And here you go. Crusty, and it's gonna be soft from the inside. There you go, burger press. All right, let's take an onion. All right, it's been 6 minutes, 3 minutes each side. Let's take American cheese. Here you go, American cheese on the patties. Burger patties are ready, onion is caramelized, buns are ready. Let's take blue cheese, and these are the two bases for the two burgers. Let's put some blue cheese here, and let's build our burgers. Take one patty, put it on top of the other. Here you go. This is your Chapli Kebab smash burger patties with cheese. Put one here on top. Here goes the other one. Looking good, right? You can even put the onion here on top. Here you go. And look at this. And it goes here. Perfect. Let's add this onion here. Looking good. Perfect. Let's turn off the griddle. We are done. So easy, we did it in here. At least 10 minutes. Altogether, since we started the process, in 20 minutes we made these delicious smash burgers, Chapli Kebab smash burgers. They are done. All right, for the flavor kick, again, take the blue cheese, put it on top. The dressing, you can use any sauce with this and just put it on top. This is your delicious Chapli Kebab smash burgers. They are completely done.
Cast iron heavy with the soul of the grease. Cold meat on the plate, yeah, the pressure increase. Drop it on the griddle, hear the water evaporate. Building up a crust while the atoms collaborate. Mail it in the building, that's a brown sugar bond. Mail it in the building, that's a brown sugar.
This is the taste test. You like cheeseburgers? Make Chapli Kebab smash burgers. They are so good. And look at this melted cheese from this. Oh my god, it's crispy edges and it's gonna be soft from the inside. So here you go. Okay, this will be the first bite. Man, they look good.
Yeah, stack it and crack it. Pure kitchen science, yeah, we don't need to wrap it.
Caramelized onions, pomegranate powder, the cheese. This is fulfilling. We made it in 20 minutes. We can flip burgers now. Yes, in home. Wonderful. Easy to do. I'll see you on the next one, and enjoy making Chapli Kebab smash burgers at home. If you like it, you're gonna love it. I can promise you that. Delicious.
Clean, building up the tower, most savage you've seen. Pickle on the side for that vinegar spark. Pickle on the side for that vinegar spark.